Hi, welcome to AM Trading. Myself Tanuja. So today I'll be analyzing what are all the calls I have given. So we can look into all the videos. My channel is Master Trading by Tanuja Kotappa. So here you can see, yeah, this is the video I'm talking about. Adani Enterprise, all those I gave a bearish movement short. Okay, so 8 days ago I published this video. So we'll analyze one by one stocks. Okay, Adani Enterprise, Adani Enterprise. Before that, also I have published. You can check this one 13 days ago. Here also I have given a call. This one. So as soon as the stock price crosses this trend line and this one, so then we can go for sell call. Okay, and here almost 1700 was there the value of the Adani Enterprises, and while going downward I have drawn this trend line. So as soon as the price crosses this one, here we book the profit, that is 1200. So from 1700 to 1200 we got 500 points, right? So you can see here, if you analyze the downtrend, we got a parallel channel. I'll switch to 30 minutes chart. There we'll get the proper channel. Okay. So here we can check. So parallel channel has been created. Here, if you see, if you analyze over here, see, almost six candles got rejected above this parallel channel. So that's why above this resistance of that value, I have given a buy call with this stop loss over here. So target given was 1715 with the stop loss of 1345, and the risk to reward ratio is 4.81. So if we draw the trend line over here, so this trend line will act as a stop loss. So if the value crosses below this one, that is 1580, then we can book the profit. And call taken was at 1004 4 410. Okay, 410, and here 580. So almost 170 points we are on profit. Okay, so this is about Adani Enterprise, and next is BPCL. BPCL, I gave a call over here. Okay, as soon as this triangle wedge, so whatever the wedge here it's created, right? So there I gave a call. And if you minimize this one, if you zoom out, so on a larger time frame you can see here triangle, right? Descending triangle, right? Here, so here breakout happened in the descending triangle, and after that it has created the falling wedge, but the value hasn't crossed this falling wedge. And also here retest is not done, right? So it may go up and it will retest and it may come back, or it will this is support line, right? So if it gets support, why it will get support? Because of the buyer pressure. So if the buyer pressure is more, it may get support over here and it may tend to go upward movement. Or else, if the seller pressure is more and if the value crosses below this wedge, falling wedge, then we can look for the target to 97 or to 85. Okay. So, but here actually now at present we can consider this as a stop loss. 3 20 we can consider as a stop loss, because we can't able to take more stop loss, right? If it is daily uh, time frame, or if it is midterm or short term, then we can consider more stop loss. But as per intraday or short term, so we can't able to take more stop loss. So this will be 320 will be the stop loss we can strike of this call. Okay. Okay, this is about BPCL. And next is Eicher Motors. Eicher Motors. If you look into Adani Enterprise, both the calls we got sell call also, we book the profit, buy call also, we book the profit. And here Eicher Motor, let us analyze. So here you can check. So the value is staying on a support line. Okay, so this line is a support line, and we can see over here breakout happened, and still it's not confirmed. So if it crosses below this one, because it's not confirmed, why I'm telling is retest is not done. Okay, so and the lowest of the value after the breakout is this one. So still this value is not crossed, right? So that's why still we are not confirmed. So once here it crosses this value with seller pressure, if you look into the volume, see, buyer volume is greater than seller volume, right? So but when I gave the call, this one I gave a call over here, somewhere here, February 22nd somewhere. So still we are in profit 3,264, and now the value is 3,120. 120, so almost 100 points we are on profit. Mm, so if this crosses, let us draw the line. So what it will create? Will it create a wedge? So this will be descending broadening wedge. Okay. So still we can't able to confirm, it's in a range between these two trend lines. So we need to wait for Eicher motor, but still we are in a profit zone. So this will be about Eicher Motors. Next, the JSW Steels. JSW Steel. Only except BPCL, we are all on profit. So Adani and both the side, and BPCL no profit, and another is Eicher Motor, we are on profit. Let us analyze JSW Steel. So JSW Steel, when the breakout happened over here, I gave a call. So 700, 720. So now the value is 675. So almost 45 points profit. This was the first target. This is the second target. So here also we'll draw the trend line. Trend line. This will also create the broadening width, so it may reach the target 662 JSW steel. So we can book the profit, or else if it crosses this one, we'll close the call. Okay, still we are on a profit for JSW steel. Next is SBI Life. SBI Life. SBI Life. SBI Life 22nd. So here somewhere I gave a call 1132, and what is the value? 1100, 1100. So almost 30 points of profit for SBI Life. for SBI Life 30. So here you can check retesting has happened for SBI Life. This value has crossed. Let us check. Is this value cross? It's not cross. So once it crosses, then only we can expect the next target of 750. So this is about SBI Life. Still we are on profit, and updated stop loss is here 1120. 1120 is the new stop loss, and next is that's it. Okay, so next we'll analyze ITC stop loss hit, and this is also same a bearish moment. Natural gas, as you watch today, natural gas it has reached the target for 5 days ago. I gave this call, and today the target is reached, and this video is about analysis of the previous calls previous calls. And this video, yesterday I gave all the stocks are on buying side. So Adani and I already covered. Let us cover Hindalco, Tech Mahindra, M&M, and Axis Bank. Hindalco, so Adani and we are all on profit side. Hindalco, still no profit. Still we are on a call. Okay, still we are on a call. No profit. Next is Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra. Techem. Techem. Tech Mahindra. NSE stock. So here I gave a call once the breakout happened from the trend line, that is 1107 somewhere. I gave a call with the stop loss of this one 1070 1116, and with the target of 1278. So what is the risk to reward ratio? Risk to reward ratio is 1 is to 5, I think so. Let me check. Yeah, 1 is to 5. Risk to reward ratio is 1 is to 5. And here also you can see triangle wedge it has created, right? Symmetrical triangle. It's a symmetrical triangle. What triangle is it? Yeah, tell me. Descending. So it can progress either side, either upward or downward. So Tech Mahindra, still we are on a call, and next is M&M, Mahindra, and Mahindra, M underscore M, Mahindra and Mahindra, Mahindra and Mahindra. What is the call? Okay, stop loss hit for Mahindra and Mahindra. Risk to reward ratio is 1.64, and next is Axis Bank. So we have eliminated two calls, BPCL and Mahindra and Mahindra, and all the calls we are all on profit or on call. And next is Axis Bank. Axis Bank. So Axis Bank also we are all on call. This is risk to reward ratio is 1 is to 2. So if we invest the if we buy the stock of quantity 11, so if the stop loss hits, we'll lose 750, or if the target hits, it will be 1523, right? So almost how many calls? Here 5, there 5, 10. Out of 10, 2 calls hit the stop loss. So 8 will be, no, 8 and this one natural gas also. So 11. Out of 11, 2 stocks hit the stop loss. So we are around profit with 8, 9 stocks. So 9 stocks. So almost 80 to 85% of accuracy will be there. Okay, this is all about my analysis, my calls analysis. And if you are interested in my calls or videos, you can subscribe to my channel, that is Tanuja Master Trading by Tanuja Kotappa at Tanuja Kotappa. This is my channel, YouTube channel, and here in TradingView, my profile ID is Tanuja K. You can subscribe over here, and my Twitter ID is am underscore trading 92. That is my Twitter handle. am underscore trading 92 is my Twitter handle. Okay, I have couple of blogs also I have written. So who are all newbies for stock market, you can go through that blog. So I have given basic knowledge of stock trading, and for beginners what are all the questions they'll be having. I have given answer for that, and also I have given like I wrote the blog for technical analysis. You can visit my blog. My blog, I'll be describing that in my videos. So you can go and check all my blogs. Okay, hope whatever the analysis I have done, it will help with your studies in stock market. So for any queries or questions, you can comment in the video section, in the comment section. And if you have any doubt in TradingView, you can message me, or even in this one, in Twitter also you can comment. So I'll be answering all your queries. Thank you for your support.